Top 10 beautiful plants for home decoration ideas. Today I show you have in this video. Here is a possible for a YouTube video about the top 10 beautiful plants for your home. Welcome to our channel. Are you looking to bring some life and beauty into your home? Plants are the perfect solutions. Not only do they air and improve the aesthetics, but they also have the calming effect on the mind and soul. In this video, we are counting down the top 10 most beautiful plants for your home from low maintenance to stunning flower plants to we got you covered. Join as explorers, snack plants, a stylish and air preferring superstar to Monstera, a tropical beauty with unique and the versatile and low maintenance favorite, elegant claiming addition, the any room, and easy to care, the drop options to soothing and medical plant to your home, lush and green addition to your decor, a classic to easy train climber, colorful and long blooming beauty, whether you are season plant parent are just starting out this video to pack inspirations and ideas to help you bring some beauty and life into your home. This greenery for your eye-catching and improve your home in decor to looking most beautiful plants, the home decor beauty and nature, home inspirations to plants to house plant, the plant lovers this video. Don't forget this like my channel and subscribe my video for notification to more videos. Thanks for watching. From modern and sleek, traditional and the elegant, these plants are sure to complement any home decor style. And the best part, they are relatively easy care to man those.